Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Paw Patrol Marshall Fire Engine, made in parts with pure customer recycled plastic. Now, you've seen the box before with compared to the others like Chase, Zuma, Rocky, Rubble, Sky, Everest, and Tracker. 3 pluses from Spin Master's bag, made from at least 80 recycled plastic. Here's the other ones you get: Chase, Everest, Rex, Rocky, Rubble, Ryder, Zuma, Tracker, Sky. Let's open it up. And because it's so easy, we have to open from the bottom. How do you notice the box is so easy? Wow, this box is kind of difficult. What do you think? I think it's pretty cool. You have to rip the box. Let's get Marshall out. Unfortunately, it has tapes. And it has twisty ties. Well, I don't think about Paw Patrol. What do you think? Neither do I. Paw Patrol is one of my favorite shows of all time, and I know it's true. You don't think about something more than precious about the show. I don't think about other shows like the others, like Blaze, Dora, or something else. Other Nick Jr. shows. But anyways, here's Marshall out of the box, and his head moves. He looks awesome. Now let's get the fire truck out. And there we go. Here's his fire truck. 03, 03, pub tag, 03, pub tag, ladders. Then you can put Marshall in it. And there we go. How cool is that? If I really like this Marshall Fire Engine, it's probably the coolest thing ever. We never talk about how Paw Patrol do it rescue, and it fights all, and it has all torn the rescue things, and it doesn't do anything that swear along. That's so cool if you ever talk about how these Paw Patrol do. Now you ever seen it doesn't do anything. Paw Patrol ever doesn't do anything. It's just a TV show. You ever liked it, now you see before. What have you ever talked about Paw Patrol? This fire truck ever talks about how you like it or not? What about this fire truck? As wheels, it doesn't do anything. It's just a plastic fire truck. Now it's a dog. He is Marshall. He's a red fire dog. I don't think most people like anything else more than Fireman Dog. I don't think lots of dogs. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I like to get a lot of views of that. But that's not all. What all others can you do? It fights some water. And it shoots water of it. I like it. Now we've seen before. Thanks for watching the Paw Patrol Marshall Fire Engine. Bye.